Ava pow! Almost got stranded today. This completely saved my butt. My truck says communications error, service required. You try to turn the key, starter blocked, shift to neutral. Gear shifter is not lit up, so I cannot shift into neutral. A friend of mine at work had this. It's a battery pack, and let's get this opened and jump this battery. As you can see, it comes in a really cool case. Ava pow! Now this is straight out of the box. I have not even charged this thing yet. You'll take that, plug it in there, and then hook it up to your batteries. So I just plugged it in. Seems like we got full juice. Here are the batteries. I'm gonna get this hooked up real quick. So the light has turned green, which I think means go. Sounds a little better. Okay, transmission now has lit up. Yes. Woo! Ava pow! I'm going to show you how to build a budget creamy keyboard. This is the Apple Maker Fecker Galaxy 80, and this bare bones kit cost me $60. I also picked out some budget switches, the WS Mirandy's, EF Grayish, and Gateron Milky Yellow Pros. Now I don't expect anyone to buy GMK keycaps because they're very expensive, but you can throw any keycaps on this board and it's guaranteed to sound creamy. So I have never tried a tactile switch before, so I'm going with the Gateron EF Grayish switches. And as you can see, my GMK keycaps came super jumbled up like that, which I was super disappointed about. This is what the board looks like put together. As you can see, it was super easy. It took me about 30 minutes to get this put together. And honestly, I am really loving the look. I think it matches perfectly with my desk setup, but looks aren't everything, so we have to put it to a sound test. That is a creamy sounding keyboard. You can find every single part I used in my storefront on Amazon. I got 2 switches left. Which one should I try next? The Mirandy's or the Milky Yellow Pros? This is the slimmest magnetic wireless phone charger on TikTok. It is made by a company that you've heard of called JSAUX, and they make really high quality premium products. If you don't have a smartwatch or AirPods that take wireless charging, then there's no point in getting a lot of these other chargers. This wireless charger also comes with a 20-watt charging block that supports USB-C. If you want true fast charging wirelessly, then I'd highly recommend you use that 20-watt plug. When you're done using the magnetic wireless charger, you can also fold it back down and pack this anywhere you want. This wireless charger is going to look great on your nightstand or your desk, just like mine. Check it out in the TikTok shop. I'll leave that link down below.